to let me know. With that being said, drew for spots and names on random.org. No trades in the chat. We're going to rip. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. 4-box break plus 1 pack of Prizm UFC. That will be coming up last. All right, you guys. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Crisscross. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Jump, jump. All right, everybody, here we go. Good luck, good luck. Before I get started, actually, I'm going to drop a link in the chat, you guys. Let's fill up this Crown Royale break. There we go. Go fill it up, you guys. 17 spots left. Once again, a spot purchased in this break to the link I'm dropping is another additional spot in that 10K site credit giveaway, you guys. Go fill that break up. Here we go. Here we go. Aaron Till, Paulo Costa, Iceman. There is a Greg Dawson, Kamaru Usman. Rated rookie Mohamed Mokaev. Auto Alexander Rockets signature series signatures right off the bats. Congratulations. That is going to the men's light heavyweight division. Men's light heavyweight. That is going to Mars. Congratulations, Mars. All right. First auto of the break. Jeff Hall. Fantasy matchups. Matt Hughes, Kamaru Usman. There's a Marvels, Juliana Pena, non-numbered, and a crunch time of Leon Edwards, non-numbered as well. All right. Irene Aldana, bantamweight. Yair Rodriguez. He just became the champion, didn't he? Congratulations. That was a good fight, actually. That was a really good fight, by the way. All right, here's a rated rookie, Terrence McKinney. Base Terrence McKinney. All right, Kazmat Chimaev. That is a red parallel, number to 75 for the men's middleweights. Francis Ngannou Dominators. The Untouchables inserts in another fantasy matchups. Anderson Silva. Oh, man. Just give me 1 second, you guys. I gotta go blow my nose. 1 sec. So sorry. Sorry about that. Appreciate you guys' patience. Here we go. Francis Ngannou. Vince Piquel. Rated rookie. Here we go. Close on that. Stack out. All right. Another Marvels. What up, Jacob? Marvels. Jessica Andrade. There's a crunch time. Sean O'Malley. And a Retro Series GSP. One of the best in the game, GSP. One of the best back in the day, at least. He did retire. Kazmat Chimaev again. Rated rookie. Here we go. There is a relic for men's middleweight. Kelvin Gastelum. Octagon royalty. Congratulations to the men's middleweight division. Non-numbered is non-numbered, by the way. Was that 100 point? Nope, that is going to be 140 points. Here we go. There we go. Congratulations. Press proof, Derek Brunson. Press proof. There's a blue Patty Pimblett, non-numbered. Blue foil Patty Pimblett. That Derek Brunson is also non-numbered. All right, blue to 49, Davision Figueiredo for the men's flyweights. This dude's pretty good, actually. Seen him fight before as well. Robert Whitaker, Octagon Marvels. NBA's at 17 spots. 17 spots. Crunch time. Another retro series. Hey, go buy a spot in that break, you guys. Once again, you guys get a spot in that big end of the month giveaway. Go fill that break up. Untouchables, Stairmaster, Chuck Liddell, and a Marvel, Cyril Gahn. All right, closing out that first stack. Good luck, you guys, rest of the way. Hey, that break, 3 spots just got picked up, though, so 17 spots. John O'Malley. There's a rated rookie. Blue foil press proof. There is a Octagon parallel to 30, Jermaine de Rondain for the women's bantamweight division. Women's. Wait, that is 30. Yes, out of 30. Congratulations. Super low numbered. Yeah. Well, 2 spots just got picked up, though. Actually, just got a new order in. 2 spots just got picked up. You guys want to go grab a spot? I just dropped a link in that in the chat. You guys go fill that break up. 15 spots left. Actually, halfway sold out. Crown Royale. Once again, you guys, you get an entry into that big giveaway at the end of the month. Go fill it up. There's a Dominators. All right. Good luck in that break, you guys. Good luck. Grab yourself a spot if you haven't already. Authority of the Octagon, referee Mike Beltran. There we go. Michael Chandler. That is numbered at 99, Michael Chandler. Retro Series, Brock Lesnar, Untouchables. One of them is untouchable. The other one took that fat L recently. Alex Pereira, indeed. He was untouchable before that, though, that's for sure. That dude's a stud, by the way, man. He's a great fighter. Kyler Phillips. Auto, Norma Dumont. That is out of 25 for the women's featherweight. Nice hit, women's featherweight division. Okay. CH Hawk, congratulations. Super low numbered, actually. Grab some more sleeves here. Hey, shout out to the Cubbies, man. Guys, make a little East Coast trip. I see. Just beat the Yankees. Now you guys are taking on the Red Sox. Stairmasters. There's a Marvels. Brandon Moreno took that L a couple weeks ago. Really good fight, though, if you guys didn't see that. Really good fight. Men's flyweight division. Francis Ngannou fighting Tyson Fury. That should be interesting. There's a rated rookie, Aaron Blanchfield, women's flyweight. Red, Ricky Simon to 75. Stairmasters, another Marvels of Amanda Nunes. Crunch Time, Conor McGregor. All right, another Octagon Authority, Herb Dean. Herb Dean, legend. Dominators, Sean O'Malley, non-numbered Dominators. All right, in a fantasy match, it's closing out. All right, you guys. That was box one. Good luck rest of the way. Hey, man. We've been on a hot streak lately. That's for sure. That's for sure. All right, you guys. Let's go fill up that Crown Royale, though. 15 spots left in that break. 15 spots left. Hopefully Series 2 Jumbo is sold out by the time we're done with this, actually. That's what the prelims are for, right? Huh? Yeah. Is that cool? What's up? Oh, okay, for sure, for sure. Man, I love Hello Kitty. Just playing. I don't know. Hey, I will say though, any guys ever been to the Irvine Spectrum in Los Angeles? They have a Hello Kitty cafe. That place is pretty cool, actually. Universal has like a Hello Kitty store too. Pretty sick. Got some stuff there, actually. Me and my girl did. I don't know jack about Hello Kitty though. I'm just being honest with you guys. I would tell you, but I don't know jack about Hello Kitty. I know they have that little cafe. I know they have a store at Universal Studios. That's about it. All right. Here we go. Good luck, y'all. Got 2 autos that last box, by the way. Andre Petrosky, rated rookie. Saw him fine. He's from Tough, right? There's a Stairmasters, Chuck Liddell. Octagon Marvels, Cyril Gahn. Crunch Time. There's Volk, the best in the game right now, Alexander Volkanovski. That's my guy, by the way. Volk. Here we go. Alex Pereira, rated rookie. There's a good one to get. Another rated rookie. All right, Terrence McKinney. Blue to 49, Terrence McKinney. There's a Steric Masters, Conor McGregor. Alex Pereira, Marvels. All right. Another rated rookie, Aaron Blanchfield. What up, Gabe? What up, dude? There's a Michael Pereira press proof, non-numbered, purple though, purple foil. There's a Patty Pimblett and a fantasy matchups, John Jones. Whew, that would be a fantasy matchup indeed. Too bad John Jones would whoop him. John Jones, the GOAT, John Jones, Johnny Bones. That's my guy. Chris Curtis, rated rookie. That's kind of, he's been here for a couple years, hasn't he? All right, Anthony Smith, press blue foil. There we go. To 99 for men's welterweight. Dominators again. Fantasy matchups. Woo. Robbie Lawler. Run the other day. Chris Barnett's rated rookie. There we go. There's a blue foil. Non-numbered again. Octagon Marvels, Juliana Pena. Crunch Time, Leon. Champ, Leon Edwards. All right, closing out that first half. Good luck, you guys, rest of the way. Here we go. Volkanovski. There's a Jens Pulver. Chris Curtis again. Here we go. Relic. Octagon Royalty. Benil Dariush. Men's lightweight division. DG Cool. Congratulations. There we go. Macy Chiasen a 99. Crunch Time Retro Series. Good luck, you guys. Good luck. Here we go. Jalen Turner for the men's lightweights. Rated rookie Molly McCann. Jens Pulver to 49. That's for the men's lightweight division. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. What about you? Monday. Dang, me too. Oh, hey. That's nice, though. Actually get an actual day off then, huh? Some people literally work on their days off from one of their jobs. People working two.
That's me on Sunday.
Oh, man. That's no good. There's an Israel Adesanya. Kamaru Usman. There we go. Octagon Authorities referee. Auto. The best in the world. Alexander Volkanovski. There we go, baby. Congratulations to the men's featherweight. Dude, that's sick. Alexander Volkanovski. Men's featherweight champion. Pound for pound. The best in the game right now. Dude, that's crazy. That's pretty sick, actually. They can't even stop me on UFC. Come on. Civet Cat Cafe. I've never heard it, no. Man, that's expensive, though, it seems like. There's a Brandon Moreno. UFC Dominators. There we go. Crunch Time. David John. There's an Alonzo Menfield. Rose. Thug Rose. Rated rookie for the men's middleweight. Blue foil. To 30, Jessica Andrade. By the way, not only is he the best in the game right now, that's my favorite fighter. Besides Johnny Bones, at least, but in the game right now. John doesn't fight as often, so I'm taking Volk over most people, actually. Come on, how can you not root for a guy that's has Down Under as his walkout song too? Amanda Lemos. Crunch Time, Sean O'Malley Retro Series. All right, close out that box. All right, box 3. Good luck. Here we go. Here we go. All right, guys, let's fill these other breaks up. Once again, if you guys are just joining us, I discounted Top Series 2 Jumbo right before I started this break. Let's go rip that Series 2 Jumbo. Full case break, you guys. Let's go rip. Link should still be near the bottom of the chat. Dude, what the heck? That is I don't know. I don't want to say disgusting, but I'm probably passing on that. Yeah, I have a cat in not to get too specific, but doesn't smell very pleasant. That's all I'm saying. Shout out to my cat Louie though. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Box 3 of 4. Signature Series Volkanovski, man. That's crazy to get the champ, best in the world, pound for pound. If we're not going to get a rookie auto, at least we're getting the best in the game. No doubt. No doubts. Men's featherweight. Congrats, Jay Gold, getting that autograph Volkanovski. Congratulations. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Alexander Gustafsson. Khalil Pontre. Rated rookie Chris Curtis. All right, relic Rafael Dos Anjos, welterweight, men's welterweight. Octagon royalty, congratulations, Rafael Dos Anjos. Non-numbered. There's a blue TJ Dillashaw of 49 fantasy matchups. Octagon Marvels again. Amanda Lemos. Auto. Ian Gary. Autograph. Men's welterweight. DG Cool again. Congratulations. I believe that's another auto for yourself. Congrats. Good luck, everybody, rest of the way. I hope it's the only. Alex Pereira. Dominators. Hey, man, but you do you, you know? Whatever floats your boat, you know? All right, another Alex Pereira rated rookie. Dominic Cruz. To 99, Araja Faber. Fantasy matchups and another fantasy matchups. That is to 10. Tito Ortiz, Yuri Prochaska. To 10 fantasy matchups. Super low numbered. 6 of 10. Sheesh. Tito Ortiz. I've seen that dude say some crazy stuff, Tito. I've left my food here before, accidentally too, in it. I mean, I eat every. If you eat, when'd you get them? The first time today? Yeah. I think my rule of thumb. This is what I was taught, by the way. Just like 3 days. Usually after 3 days, don't eat fish again. That's my rule of thumb, at least. But is it California rolls? Imitation? It's imitation crab or whatever. Dude, you know I literally used to be allergic to fish, and then I literally would like get like I would you know what an EpiPen is? Not well. I don't know if that's what happened, but like I'm not allergic anymore. Mark Goddard, authority of the Octagon. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna have to randomize this. Super short print. I'm gonna have to randomize this between the divisions. Actually, I have to, man. I got to. All right, I'm gonna. Okay, how many times did we randomize earlier? Randomized 10 times earlier, you guys. All right, here we go. I'm gonna head over to random.org. We're gonna randomize. You know what? Actually, let me finish this pack. This box. There's a Marvels, Dominators, Francis, and Ngannou. I'm gonna finish this box and then we will randomize that card. Sushi rice is always different too, I guess, huh? Sushi rice. Andre Arlovsky. There's an Izzy. Israel Adesanya. Rated rookie, Andre Petrosky. Crunch time. Curtis Blades. Did I? Bought into one for Greg. That was it, though. You guys pull some fire?
Yeah, on the buyback, and I didn't even know it was fire.
What was it?
It was a Gunnar Henderson first Bowman purple to 250 auto.
Oh, those are probably big money. Yeah, that's Gunnar Henderson. 3 bands? Dang, I pulled a Gunnar Henderson auto earlier, actually.
And I looked at it and I was like, oh, okay, we have a Gunnar Henderson auto. And then C-Rod's like, you're not going to boom it? I was like, no. They showed me the price on it.
Dang. I got an auto of him earlier, actually. Dude, we have been hitting today. We have actually been hitting. Jack Dele. And I hit a Kenny Pickett red. There's a Max Holloway red. Speaking of, hit a Kenny Pickett red star auto. Man, dude. Been on fire lately. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh, someone, Miles told me that. That's sick. Oh, did he really? Dang, that's sick. Is there? Do you know? Is there a lot of spots left in some of the other ones? Are they? Dude, I'm. What's up? Oh, okay, yeah. I'm probably getting into number 10 then. There's a Marvels. Thinking I'll probably just grab one spot though, but I think you get like two teams or 2 spots of purchase or whatever, right? Yes, Sirski. There's a rated rookie, Anthony Hernandez, Lonzo Menifield. There we go, from Apex to 99, Tatsuro Taira, UFC Apex for the men's flyweight. All right, closing it out. All right, guys, let me go ahead and randomize this card. Give me 1 second here. All right, heading over to random.org to randomize between this to 25 Mark Goddard. Here we go. Randomizing 10 times. You know what, actually? Yeah, all right. I'm going to randomize 10 separate times. Here we go. Just like we did earlier. Top team after 10, top weight division after 10 times getting that short numbered card. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. All right, men's flyweight. That was 10 times in the random men's flyweight division. Okay, okay. Men's flyweight, congratulations. J Gold, by the way. All right, here we go, here we go. Before I get started, you guys, let me check on the other breaks we got. 1 second here. All right, 14 in stock, and there's a couple left in Series 2 Jumbo. Last box mojo. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Here we go. Goodness. There we go. Last box mojo. Go grab your spots in those other breaks, you guys. Go grab your spots. There's 14 spots left. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. Last box mojo. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. All right. There's a rated rookie, Drakkar Klose. There's a blue foil, Crunch Time, Dominators. My God. Auto red 100/49, Norma Demont, women's featherweights. Super low number, rated rookie as well. Norma Dumont, congratulations to the women's featherweight. That's going to CH Hawk. Good luck. Rest of the way, everybody. Here we go. Another red. Tito Ortiz. There's an Octagon. Juliana Pena. Octagon Marvels. Crunch Time. Champ. Leon Edwards. I honestly thought Kamaru Usman was not going to lose ever. I thought he was going to be, but man, I think we all did actually, huh? Dude, I can't believe that. Not only once, but twice. Says a lot, man. That says a lot. Kamaru was that dude for a while, too. He was. He was almost to that title defense record, I think. Wasn't he in that division, at least? Derek Brunson. All right, rated rookie. There we go, Kyler Phillips. Blue foil. Jalton Almeida, men's heavyweight to 30. You're telling me this dude is a heavyweight? Dude, what? Look how cut this dude is. He's a heavyweight? He's got to be super tall. Let's see if his height's on here. Nah, dude, that is crazy, though. Usually heavyweights are freaking a little puffier, which is totally cool, but look how ripped that dude is. Dang. My guy's got to be at least over 6'2". He has to be. Ain't no way. Ain't no way otherwise. Dude's definitely got like less than 10% body fat. That's nuts. All right. That was a rated rookie to 30, by the way. There's a Terrence McKinney. Blue foil. There we go. Octagon Marvels. Cyril Gahn. Crunch Time. Here we go. Here we go. Cynthia Calvilla. There's a Authority of the Octagon again. Dan Hooker, to 99. There we go. Dan Hooker, men's lightweight. It's actually closing out that half by the weight. Good luck rest of the way, everybody. Good luck, good luck. Captain Carla Esparza. Rated rookie. All right, here we go. Relic Octagon Canvas Materials Muhammad Mokaev, men's flyweight. Congratulations. That Prizm pack is coming up, by the way. There's a purple and a blue foil. There's a Amanda Nunes Marvels. Crunch Time. Conor McGregor Crunch Time. Those are interesting inserts, to say the least, those Crunch Times. Volkanovski again. Authority of the Octagon again. Mike Beltran. Press Proof, the Untouchables. There we go. Robert Whitaker, Marvels. Robert Whitaker. Anderson Silva. Damon Jackson, rated rookie. Rated rookie Anthony Fernandez. There's a blue foil fantasy matchup. Stipe. Crunch Time. Stipe Marvels, though. I think that's the first Stipe. All right, finishing up here. That Prizm pack is up next. There's a rated rookie again. 249 Rafael Osunko for men's bantamweight retro series and a Stairmasters. All right, here we go. Good luck. Woo-wee. Oh, baby. All right, one at a time. Here's a Stipe Miocic pink cracked ice. Men's heavyweight division. It is non-numbered, by the way. Pink cracked ice rookie Penny Kianzad for the women's bantamweight. Pink cracked ice women's bantamweight. And another pink cracked ice, Kelvin Gastelum. Congratulations. Last card of the break. There we go. There we go. All right, guys. That was the break. Once again, thank you guys all for tuning in. That was the break.